Hiya and welcome to itsycrafty. Today I'm unboxing a Planners Anonymous kit. This is the kit that shipped at the end of February and it is called Fierce. I have here the standard monthly subscription kit, the add-on sticker pack and the add-on paper pack. I'll show these at the end, but we'll just start with the papers in the standard kit. The first page has a selection of different animal prints on it, and then this watercolour on the reverse of that. So we have two of those. And then there's this paw print. And on the reverse of that, a richer brown. And this page here, this page is incredible with the silhouettes on it. Love this. Love, love, love it. And on the reverse of that is a black. So two of those, two of each of the double-sided prints. The vellum is the animal print design. So the vellum is the thinner paper that is slightly transparent. And the acetate for the month is the same design, but just with a gold outline on it. Sorry about the glare there. And on the reverse, it's a silver outline. These are the papers for the Fierce kit, and they give us a good idea of some of the colours and the artwork in the kit. So a quite different kit from usual. Animal print isn't really my thing, but I'm actually enjoying these, and I just love this silhouette print. So I'm sort of itching to actually do something with these. They're just so different. Let's have a look at all of the other items that come in the monthly subscription kit. First of all, there's the Girl of the Month in this card. And we've got I am strong, bold, fierce and brave. Hear me roar. And that's Sierra. And on the reverse of that, there's a list of everything that's included in the kit, and it also mentions the printables. So when you subscribe to the kit, you also have access to some digitals and printables. Some of them are free and some of them are an additional purchase. So that's her. We'll just have a look at the washi at the end. I always like to look at the pen. So this is the pen for the month. There's sort of a glitter almost in the barrel there. It's sort of glittery. It's gold hardware as per usual with the Planners Anonymous along here. And there are all the different crystals that are inside it. And that's twist and a black ballpoint pen. This is the mystery item for the month. It's not necessarily a mystery. Normally it is revealed before you receive the kit, but it's a changing item every month. The kits include a lot of different things that are standard, and then this is always sort of a bit of a mystery as to what it might be. This month it's a planner charm. It has a little gold lobster clasp on it there, and we've got the word Fierce. And then sort of, it's almost like a silk scarf. I'm sure it's not silk, but it sort of feels a little bit like that, a little scarf there. And you can use this, for example, on the spine of something. I have here this traveler's notebook, which I just grabbed out of my bookshelf. And you can just open the lobster clasp there and slide it through the elastic. And you can see there that the charm can dangle down the spine. It's a bit hard to show you what it looks like on the shelf, given it's a top view, but that's sort of a look. I'll just move all this out of the way and we'll have a look at the quote cards. We've got bold, brave and fearless. Be your own kind of fierce. Lead the pack. Hear me roar. Have the courage to be yourself and determined to rise. And then that gorgeous silhouette on the back of there. 6 cards as per usual, and they just have the plain watercolour wash on the back, so they stand out really nicely when you pop them on patterned paper, for example. The next thing is the stamp set, and this has a heap of stamps on it. Looks like some fun stamps this month with the different animal prints, which you could piece together like the paper. You can see there the different patterns, and we have the same patterns here, so you could make your own designs using those. And also lots of silhouettes, so you could do a silhouette-y type design also. And then there's Sierra, and we've got Fierce. I'm liking the stamps there. I especially like that there's some larger elements in it this time. And now the sticker sheets that are in the subscription kit. Loving the wild animals, that map, the little flowers sprinkled everywhere. Oh, really loving this. Sammy's really taken animal print and then run with it into sort of a safari theme, but a travel theme and a, I don't know, just a wild theme. And here we've got a page of icons, which I'm loving the look of. These icons are cute in the little prints of the kit. And then lots of useful flags and sticky notes. And then a whole month of date dots, an entire week of weekly headers. The folding planner sticker, which you can hide something there because these fold over onto it. And then you can see a preview of next month's kit, which is the milk bar. Have a look on at Planners Anon and you'll see lots of items that will be in the milk bar kit, and it's looking a stunner. So 4 pages of stickers there, which I'm loving. And now let's have a look at the die cuts in the kit. First of all, we have the art card. So this is a 5x7 inch card, and it's got I was born to be fierce with the animal print on it, and it's a bit of a thicker card, this one. And these are the die cuts. We have Sierra, and I love giraffes. Giraffes are so fun. I love feeding them. They have the world's most longest tongues, actually. I don't know if that's a true fact, but they have a really long tongue. It's quite amazing seeing them eat. And then we've got a globe, a bag. Love the flower. Nice size flower. And there's a smaller flower. The sky looks impressive. Or girl. And another globe. Oh, I'm liking this. So one globe we have Australia on it, and one globe we have America on it. We're just missing New Zealand around the corner there, but I like that the 2 globes are different. Another wild animal. I would love to go on safari and travel with a suitcase. Some shoes to match the bag. Another couple of little flowers there. A book plate. I'm calling it a book plate. I don't know what you call it really, but it sort of reminds me of something at the front of a book where you sort of have who the book belongs to written in there, but obviously you can write anything in there. A stately looking elephant, a nice big folding map, and another little flower. This is the washi for the Fierce kit, and it has a gold foil on each of the 3 rolls. And I've just rolled that out so we can have a good look at it. And here it is here. So the wider washi has this gorgeous safari scene on it, and the gold foil birds in the sky. Loving that. And then the other two washes, the 15mm and the 5mm, are animal print. So the 15mm one has a mix of prints on it, and then the 5mm has, I'm really bad with my animals, it has, is it a cheetah? It has this animal print on it. So for me, my hands down favourite is definitely this wide washi. Oh my goodness, that is going to go everywhere. Love it. Every month you can also add on a paper pack to your subscription kit. So this here is the add-on paper pack for Fierce. I'm loving this one with all of the inspirational words on it. Sorry if I'm talking funny, I'm just actually reading it at the same time, but loving that. And on the reverse of that, there is this grey watercolour. And then there's, oh, this is cute. Look at this baby elephant with the mummy elephant. Love it. So we have the silhouette, but strips of the silhouette. Love, 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 love it. And this brown watercolour on the reverse. And my favourite florals. It's so nice to have a paper with the florals on it with this kit, because flowers are part of me and I'm just loving that. And this gorgeous coordinating colour on the back of it goes so well with it. And then in the add-on paper pack you always get an additional sheet of the vellum and an additional sheet of the acetate. So this is the add-on paper pack for Fierce. And now for the add-on sticker sheet. A lot of stickers there. Loving this page with a Sierra and this powerful, powerful animal behind her. These flowers, the photos, the paw prints, everything. It's wonderful. This is gorgeous. The silhouette double box. These full boxes with these very powerful looking animals, and these part boxes. And then lots of wild animals here. And then these do seem a little bit out of order, but I'm sure they're all there. They're just normally in a different order when you receive them. We've got a word strip, and then lots of gorgeous borders. A photographer with globes, photos, maps. Love this page. I'll just show you a little bit closer. Really loving this page. And then we've got another double box with more animals. Those across the spread would just look really, really impressive. Love it. And then some gorgeous delicate flowers, some cups, some planners, and some tickets. These are great little full boxes to use, so they're a little bit decorative but also very functional because there's so much room to write, as are the planners and the yay. I like to put them on Fridays. And then we've got a whole page of weekly trackers. Some are smaller, some are bigger. These will be fantastic, and these will be in the 4 colours of the kit. And these are the colours of the kit. So there we've got the weekly headers. These look like flags here. Let's just see what it is. Okay, so it's just a flag with a flat bottom there. What's going on in here? Oh, we've got flags of this shape here. And then this is just a box, boxes and splashes there. So the colours of the kit. Okay, So there's 4 colours of the kit. I just seem to have got an extra one. This one here isn't normally here. These are the 4 colours of the kit. Maybe someone was playing with my sticker kit. Not too sure. And here we've got, this is a wonderful page. These are really functional. I love these. I never have enough of those. And then we've got lots of colour coordinated dots. And these are, what are these? Oh, these are little flags. Hopefully you can see that there. Well, you can see it better where I've peeled it off. And then we've got monthly date squares. So they're bigger than the date dots that come in the standard subscription kit. And then we've got my favourite minis. 2 pages of minis. So we have, I like having a mini animal. We've got this, love it, love, love, love it. So we've got the minis that go with the people that are in the kit. And then we've got the, oh my goodness, we've got the mini animal here too. Look at that. I need more of that sticker. These are really, really nice. I love the minis. Oh my goodness, and this one. More animals like this, please. Love it. The minis look so good all over the page. I just love them. Sadly, I haven't displayed them very well today, but I have a total of 17, well actually I have 18. I have a total of 18 sheets of stickers, as I have 2 of these. So they are the stickers and I'm loving them. They really pull everything in the kit together. This is my unboxing of the Fierce kit by Planners Anonymous with the standard monthly kit, the add-on sticker pack and the add-on paper pack. I hope you enjoyed looking at the kit with me. I'm definitely going to set up some pages in my bullet journal with it as soon as I possibly can. So thanks so much for watching, and maybe I'll see you in my next video. Bye!